Hi everybody, this is Paula from Hugs Beads. I'm super excited today to come to you to show you my new collection, the Mandala collection, and it released over the weekend. So let's go take a look. So here it is. This is the Mandala collection. I'm very excited to show you this collection. I'm super happy how it turned out. So it consists of 7 one-of-a-kind pieces, which are beautiful pendants that are handmade. I'll show you a couple of pieces. And I've named them different names. So this one is called Kaleidoscope. It's got beautiful turquoise, blue and green and copper and bronze in it. And on the reverse, it's got this lovely soft ultra suede, which is like suede, but it's not real suede, but it's just so soft on the back. And I have to tell you, these pendants are really light. You don't even know you're wearing these. Even though all these beads are glass beads, it still is very light to wear. They come with a matching ring. I thought it'd be really fun, rather than doing earrings this time, that I make a matching ring with the same color beads. And they are adjustable, so you can put them on any finger and give them a little squeeze and they will fit snugly. So I thought that would be kind of fun to pair up with the pendants this time. So these are hand stitched bead by bead, and that's the kaleidoscope. Now the inspiration behind this collection was originally from mandalas. I absolutely love mandalas, and just the geometric patterns and the intricate patterns and the colors that are in these designs. And then so the style of the collection came from that inspiration, but also the colors really came from sitting at church. I'm in the choir at church, and I was sitting there in the middle of service and I was looking at all the beautiful stained glass windows in my church, and the colors that were just illuminating from each window really struck me, and so beautiful. So that's what a lot of the color inspiration for these came from. This one with the bright yellows and the cobalt blue, so beautiful, those colors together, and the little pale blue fire polish bead there. So that one's, I call this one Sun Salutation. That was really fun. And of course, matching ring to go with it, with the yellow and the bronze and the blue. This one is Wisdom. It goes with the more muted colors, which I thought were kind of interesting, that they contrast together with the maroon color and the green turquoise fire polish with the purple. Very pretty with the bronze too. So it's kind of an interesting color choice and design. Now all of these designs I created as I was stitching. I actually didn't draw these up this time around. I just let my needle be the guide. I kind of just designed as I went along, and I love how each one is so different, and that's why they are one of a kind, because even if I can try and reproduce this, it would never be exactly the same as each piece that you see here. So these really are one of a kind pieces. Look at that, with the pretty blue and the raspberry red and the pop of bronze and turquoise. Just so interesting, right? Turn it over, there's the ultra suede. Again, super light, not too thick, so it's not going to really, drop too far and stick out. That one was called Happiness. This is Stars, which are the silver and the pewter colors and the hematite beads. And this one is Meditation with the turquoise and the bright blue and the copper colors. And then this one is Universe. This one I use the crystals in there, the like electric blue crystals. You can see that, I'll bring it close to the camera. Such sparkle in this one. And it's not entirely a circle, it's, it's a geometric shape. And I love it with the bronze, so pretty. And then on the back is the black ultra suede. So like I said, all of these have matching rings. I can reproduce these to a certain extent, but they will all slightly vary from one another. So if you are interested in any of these pieces, please check them out on my Etsy shop. They're listed right now at hugsbeads.etsy.com, and go check them out and have a look at the collection. And let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have about this collection or about beading in general. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.